This beautiful orange Sylvia started as a full street project and after the years kept evolving into a drag race car to the point of once becoming the quickest import radial in the world. Owned by Drag International in Fort Lauderdale, the Trinidad team are well known for their JDM builds and expertise. Opting for a 2JZ 3.2 swap, this particular car is doing it on a full cast motor. No billet engine under the hood for now. Since records are meant to be broken, others have been able to break the record in recent times, but the team is determined to get back on the fight. With a custom wiring FT package from Area 51 race cars, Omar Crespo has been given the task to tune the orange Sylvia back into fighting form and begin their testing at Bradenton Motorsports, capitalizing on one of the best track preps in the region from Way Ridge. This radial class is simply impressive. These cars have no wheelie bar, smaller tires, and running mid to low sixes on the import side at the quarter, and compete with domestics at Maryland in import versus domestics. However, the current preparations are all focused on one of the biggest events in Bradenton Motorsports, FL2K, in October. After a few test runs, Omar looks at the data and believes there could be a problem with the converter, and after inspection, the team replaces fluids and Omar begins to run tests on the drivetrain. Omar also has concerns with the car running an older generation precision turbo that has faithfully carried the car into record numbers, but many competitors have updated to newer turbos that could yield increased power and efficiency needed to get into the record zone. After 2 passes, the car is back where it needs to be, but it's going to take some effort and perhaps some updates to get the orange Sylvia ready to contest the record at FL2K in October. If you want to stay tuned and see how this evolves, please visit the Drag International page on Instagram and Facebook and check out their many builds. Also, don't forget to stop by the Area 51 Race Cars page to see all the wiring and electronic packages in some of the record-breaking race cars around the world.